No, that's brake.
That's brake, yeah.
Brake. Clutch.
Yes! Hang on, I might need easy start. Might need some easy start.
Yeah.
Right, hang on then. At least the starter's working. Into the air intake there.
Yep, into the air intake.
How much? Woo! Sounds really good. Engine sounds really nice.
Huh?
Engine sounds really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit loose, man. It looks fine. Yeah, it's not going to come off or anything. I love that sound. Yeah. Good, Zane.
There we go. Stake well cleared.
Yay! More revs needed. Take two. Engage! Yeah. There you go. More power! Power! Oh my god! Holy shit, it's spitting so much stuff out!
Never been said.
Oh my goodness!
Occupying my head. There is nothing I need except the function to breathe. But I'm not really fussed.
Are you in first gear?
Doesn't matter to me. Ruby, 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 Ruby. Do you?
Nice!
What you doing to me?
That is just shooting through it.
Due to lack of interest,
That's powering through it.
our moves cancelled. Left the clocks we
My modern
reset.
mower can't do that.
And the pendulum held. Was there nothing at all except the space in between?
Awesome.
Finding out what you call and repeating your name. Ruby, 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 Ruby. Do you? And what you doing to me? Ruby, 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 Ruby. Could it be that you want to join with me? And you don't really see you with me. You only go try. Could it be that you're dealing with me all the time?
God.
And you don't really see you with me at all. You play nine all on your own.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like the water channel.
Ruby, 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 Ruby. Do you? What you doing to me? Ruby, Ruby, Ruby. Ruby, Ruby, Ruby. Do you?
Doing a really good job on this.
What are you doing to me?
First time it's been used for 2 years.
Ruby, Ruby, Ruby,
I need more power. Oh my god. It's not even noticing it. I thought you'd need more power for that. Yeah. Right, so this is the oil dipstick hole. We've just been topping up the radiators with water. I'm wondering why there's so much water going going into it. And we just realised that it's because it's all been going into the sump. So you've got quite a stream of water coming out. A nice puddle at the bottom there. But it means that the head gasket probably needs changing. So that's a job for us to do. But it's quite incredible though. Slowing down
the engine works, that's the main thing.
Yeah. Well, hopefully we'll be able to get back into the shed.
The voices after the food.
We've got to tell them what we've done already so far.
Oh, basically, taking off the fuel tank, the Villas, bit knuckle.
So we've got exposed now as a valve cover. We've rigged up a extra light for the workshop. So we've got a nice bright working light.
And a 14 watt.
And you can do that now. Right, we've got the rocker cover off. You can see it's all nice and milky. Lots of water and getting in there. So now we've just got to disconnect the water hoses in the front. And then also the manifolds obviously. So coming in well.
That's right.
I am a cider drinker. It soothes all me troubles away. Come on, young, get a couple of points down here. Now, dear old Mabel, when she's able, we takes a stroll down Lover's Lane, and we'll sink a point to Scrumpy. Then we'll play on nature's game.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
We end up in the duck with the pub decides to close, with me bridges full of chattels and the newts between me toes. Oh, my goody. I am a cider drinker. I drinks it all of the day. I am a cider drinker. It soothes all me troubles away. Come on, everyone, get up there then! I am a cider drinker. I drinks it all of the day. I am a cider drinker. It soothes all me troubles away. Let cider be the spice of life.
That's pretty much the only problem.
Let's try lifting it again.
It's called. Oh yeah. There we go.
We've done it for the first time.
Oh yeah, for the first time.
Right, have to get it under that bar.
Do you think it would come this way?
Yeah. Try, well, the studs are kind of in the way there.
Well, the exhaust is kind of in. Oh, hold on. Hold on. There we go.
That's it. There she comes. Right. That's it. Right, you can come around this side now if you want. It's definitely not the same head gasket.
Oh, that's copper.
There's something attached to it.
Hang on.
Is it?
Let's see. There we are. Free.
Bloody hell, it's heavy.
I've got the light in.
And you got a nice big handle to hold on to.
Yeah.